Installing new window blinds is an easy upgrade just about anyone can make that will brighten up your home instantly. If you've been putting it off because you think it's too difficult, watch this video. I'm going to walk you through the process from start to finish.
This area above the window is solid wood, so we're going to screw our hardware directly into it without using any anchors. Next, we're going to measure the inside of the window frame. As you can see, this one is 71 inches. Next, we're going to head to the store and pick out something that works for us. I'm doing 7 sets today. This is exactly what you'll find in the box. This is the hardware that we're going to screw to the wood blocking, and you'll notice the top is labeled. I'm going to take it and I'm going to mark the 2 screw holes, and I'm going to do that in all 3 locations: left, center, and right. On smaller sets, there will only be 2 locations, left and right. Next, I'm going to pre-drill each location that I marked with a drill bit that's a smaller diameter than the screws that we're going to use to fasten the hardware. Then we're going to go back through and attach each piece. Next, we're going to take the blinds and we're going to make sure that we have them in the right direction, and they're going to fit right over the piece of hardware that you just installed, and then they snap into place. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to pull the blinds down. I'm going to install the adjuster. I'm going to test everything, make sure that it's all working correctly, and that looks beautiful. We can quickly watch as I do 5 more sets. Install it over the clips and snap it into place. Install the adjuster. Looking good. Mark the locations, pre-drill the holes. Now I'm attaching the hardware. 2 screws in each. Fit the blinds over the hardware, snap them into place, pull the shade down. I'm going to repeat the steps here: marking, pre-drilling, snapping them into place. Couldn't be easier. Last one. Marking, pre-drilling, and now I'm going to fasten the hardware in place. Everything's looking real good. That's 5 down and 2 to go. 1, last one here, all done.
I'm the Happy Handyman, and this is the channel where I make simple, practical repair videos to help anybody maintain their home like a pro. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful hints and tricks, and thanks for watching.